Let's have a look at the vascular system. We start off with the artery that goes into the kidney, and then it branches off to the several segmental arteries, and they don't share the blood, so they have their own supply, and that's why a partial nephrectomy is possible, so a partial removal of the kidney. And when we go then into the kidney, we find interlobular or cortical radiate arteries or veins. So here in our diagram, these little ones would be the cortical radiate interlobular veins or arteries, and in here they are called interlobar veins or arteries.